Let's go ahead and do an example of an absolute value equation. So this is going to be a pretty simple example. So let's say we want to solve the equation, the absolute value of 4x minus 7 equals negative 23. Okay, so if we have something like this, now what we can do actually right away is say that there is no solution. But the point of this video is to explain why there's no solution. So why is there no solution? Well, if you take the absolute value of something, whether it's absolute value of x or absolute value of 4x minus 7, or really absolute value of just anything, then you're always going to get something that's greater than or equal to 0. No matter what's going on inside of the absolute values, okay, if you take an absolute value of something, absolute value of anything, you're going to get something that's greater than or equal to 0. Negative 23 is not greater than or equal to 0. So if you take the absolute value of 4x minus 7, or the absolute value of anything, you can never ever get negative 23. No matter what x is, you're never going to get negative 23 over here. Okay, so in other words, there's no value of x that'll give you absolute value of 4x minus 7 equals negative 23. It'll just never happen, ever, ever. So that's sort of a key thing to remember with absolute value type equations, is that if you take the absolute value of something, then the result is always going to be positive or 0. Okay? So that is why there is no solution for this particular equation here.